the tutorial, Excel spreadsheet tutorial from Google. This is episode 3. So in this video, I will continue the serial spreadsheet lessons from zero or from basic for you, my friends that need to learn about spreadsheets from the basic. Okay, here we go. Let's go straight. Yesterday on the episode 2, we will learn about how to learn about toolbar or Microsoft on Excel spreadsheet, and learn how to operate sum, formula, and all borders, and to add the column, rows, and etc. On this episode 3, I want to show you 5 formulas. That's a basic formulas from spreadsheet that is often used and easy to use. I have a simple data. It's about name of students, gender, and then mathematics value, science value, society, and total, average, count, marks, and minimum. And also we will learn about the formatting on spreadsheet. So if you need to make a good appearance or good display on spreadsheets, we can learn about it after this. Okay. Yesterday we learned about some formula, and I think that you can use this formula. So just look at on your screen. Sum, and open the bracket and plug the data and close the bracket. This was suggested autofill. You do not need to copy or drag down the data because Google Spreadsheet suggests autofill to fill the next rows. Just click here, Ctrl plus Enter. Without dragging down or copying the formula, the spreadsheet will automatically make your automatic formula, I think, to add the data. Okay, there are many value and total number. Just using one formula and then Google will suggest you to autofilling. Okay, learned the second lesson about average. The average number of the values that everyone gets from mathematics, science, and society. So, open the bracket and copy the data from A2, not F2 because it's F2 is total cells, not include the average number. Average, and then open the brackets, plug the data that you want to create, and close the brackets, and the values of the total number will be divided 3 because there are 3 values from math, science, and society. Well, how to rounding to make to do rounding on the number that we get on the average because there are many commas here. Plug all of the data and here decrease decimal places to make rounding on our data. This is 0 number. We need to add one number after comma just decrease the decimal number. Okay, that's the second formula to make an average after total. The next number about the spreadsheets from Microsoft Excel, we need to know about the count formula. Count to number of numeric values in dataset. Okay, so how many data that we have? Okay, so count. You need to fill the data, which is precisely a number. Okay, 10. Okay. The number of students in this class is 10. So if you use count formula, but you plug the letter cells or data, so then the result will be 0, because count formula will be used only numbers column. Okay, if you use the count, if you want to count the letter or not number cells or columns, count A. Just use the count A formula and then plug the letter column, and there are 10 students on this classroom. The number of data is 10. Okay, maximum. It's a highest number from the average or total, or maximum or mean are used to count or to know about the maximum number, the data from the data, and the minimum number from the data. Okay, just see on your screen here. Equal to sign maximum from G2 until G11, because we need to know about the highest average from this data. Okay, after this enter, so the results will be 88,7. 88.7 is the highest number from the data, and is obtained by Dewey. And also the minimum data from the average, just change the maximum formula into the minimum formula. So spreadsheets will show you the minimum number of the data, or the smallest number. Okay, that's the 5 formulas that is often used on the spreadsheet. And also from this video, I want to explain about the formatting. Explain about formatting on spreadsheets Excel's tutorial. I think that you need to make this table cooler, or to make a better table, or make a better data. Okay, bold is italic. I think that all of you know about how to do this. And we need to give a color. You can see here the green color on the column, on the rows. And I think if you want to change the color of number, it's navy color with the green columns color. Okay, and the bold, italic, and the color of cells and number, and you can make some alignment on the center, left or right, or justify. Okay, we will make an alignment with the center. and sometimes it will make your data more tidy up. Okay, we will also make an ideal column here. You can see the data about it. They are thin, thick, or wider, narrow. So it's too difficult to know about it. And for example, we will add the name student name. The column will be cut if we have a narrow column. So with wrap text, this wrap text will automatically change the column, and this is automatic method because spreadsheet also search about this formula on the system, so the data will be easier to read by other people. Or against idea, okay, the ideal column like this with, okay, and lastly, to make the data more tidy up or tidy. Okay, I think that the data is different. There are big data and make okay the type, okay, the top, middle, and bottom. The positions of, okay, middle, to make a center words on the cells. It's the center, and this is tidy. And yes, I think enough for the tutorial of formatting and also 5 basic formulas on spreadsheet Excel. Some average, count, marks, and mean formulas, and also how to tidy up and with formatting, bold, italic, and etc. Hopefully this might be useful for you, and see you soon in the next video. Bye bye.